David! Oh my God!
Hey, Lola! Hey guys, what's good? I've got the best and most exciting news for you today. And guess what, guys? I'm putting up the best romantic short story for you in a film. Lola, what are you doing here? What are you doing here?
I have called you, I have texted you, I've looked for you everywhere! David, where have you been?
You've been calling, ringing my phone. You're outside my house. I don't get it. I can count how many times you've come to my office just to look for me. See, listen to me, Lola. I just don't want to see you.
David, don't tell me you've been avoiding me.
Lola, I don't want you to fall in love with me. That's just the point.
But I am in love with you. I am helplessly and hopelessly in love with you. What do you have me do, David?
See, you really don't understand me, alright?
David, I don't understand. The only thing I want to understand right now is for you to tell me you love me. You don't. Do you love me?
Lola, don't wish for yourself a life with me. No one does it.
I wish for myself to be with you.
Hey, listen to me. My life is a nightmare. I don't even know myself.
I wish to spend the rest of my life with you, David. What do you have me do? David. Okay, look at me. Tell me you love me. Do you love me? Do you love me?
See, I'm protecting you, alright?
The only way you can protect me is to be my lover. And to be there for me, David.
See, listen, I guess there is something I've not told you about myself, the story of my life. It's really a sad story it's my story, alright? The story of my life I have been trying to avoid telling anybody. I guess if that's the only thing I can say to you right now for you to understand me.
What? Tell me. You know you can tell me anything, you know that, right?
The day I was born, my mother died.
Sorry, it happened.
No, you don't understand, Lola. You don't understand. Like I have never felt the love of a mother. Alright. My daddy took me up, brought me up till I was 18. Just when I was 18, Lola, my dad came all out on my birthday, hugged me and wished me a happy birthday. He went back inside his room and died.
I didn't know you went through all this. Let me be there for you. Let me be your mother and your father.
Lola, you don't understand. This is just the reason I'm telling you. I'm not the right guy for you. Now, listen up. As if that was not enough, alright? I tried to move on, alright? I fell in love with a lady. A very beautiful lady, just like you. At first, I wasn't serious with the love. But just when I was beginning to get serious with the love and relationship, she died. I have been in tears and in pains. And this is one of the reasons I am trying to avoid you. Because you're simply gonna die. I mean, I told you my life is a nightmare. No one ever wants to be with me. God just doesn't love me.
I don't care! I don't care, David. I want you to be there for me. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. If loving you is the last thing I would do before I die, then so be it. Even if the heavens and the earth collide, David, I love you.
Lola, don't say this. See, listen to me. This cannot work.
Why? I David.
See, listen, we are not meant to be together. I am not meant to be with you. You just go.
You're the one I'm for. David!
See, listen, just leave me alone. Go.
David!
Just go.
David! 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 Oh my God!
Hey, Lola! This show is going to be a collection of short romantic love stories. Something you can watch anywhere, anytime, and learn from it, guys. Guess what, guys? You know I can't do this all alone. I'm doing this with the help and the support of very creative and very, very talented actors, one of which is...
Hey guys, I'm Liz Moore and I'm going to be working with Elegant side by side on this project. This is going to be the best trip ever seen, and trust me when I say you enjoy every bit of what we're going to be putting up down here. Don't be told, stay glued to this platform and don't miss an episode.
So guys, you're privileged to be the viewers of the kickoff of this romantic web series, which is of course going to be one of the best and the biggest romantic web series in the world. So I know you all would remember that I told you this by the time this blows up and become the biggest and best romantic and entertaining web series in the world. Anticipate this.